Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my English learning channel. Today's lesson is special. This is not just an English lesson, this is a lesson about your life. In this video, you will learn English through a powerful and inspiring story. A story that will help you improve your vocabulary, your listening skills, and your confidence. More importantly, it will help you think differently because learning a language is not only about words, it is about changing your mindset. It is about changing your mindset. So relax, listen carefully, and repeat after me when you can. And remember, every small step you take today brings you closer to a better future. Now let's begin. No one will save you. Your life is your responsibility. The story, a life that almost stayed the same. There was a young man named Daniel. Daniel was not poor. He was not rich either. He lived a normal life in a small city. He had a small room, a simple job, and a quiet routine. Every morning he woke up late. He looked at his phone for hours. He watched other people succeed on social media. He often said to himself, I want to change my life. I want to learn English. I want to be successful. But there was one problem. He never took action. He believed that one day everything would change. He thought, maybe someone will help me. Maybe I will get lucky. Maybe tomorrow will be different. But days became weeks. Weeks became months. Months became years. And nothing changed. His dreams stayed in his mind, but never entered his real life. One evening, Daniel sat alone in his room. The lights were off. The room was silent. He looked at his life and felt something heavy in his heart. Not anger, not sadness. It was regret. He realized something for the first time. No one is coming to fix my life. No teacher, no friend, no miracle. At that moment, he understood the truth. If he did nothing, his life would stay the same forever. My life is my responsibility. I can't wait anymore. I must take action today. The first change, the next day was not magical. Daniel did not suddenly become perfect, but he made one small decision. He started. He woke up earlier than usual. He opened an English book. He learned just 5 words. Only 5. It was small, very small, but it was real. For the first time, he was not just dreaming. He was doing the power of small steps at first. Progress was slow. Some days he felt tired. Some days he felt lazy. Some days he wanted to quit. But he remembered one sentence. No one will save you. So he continued. He studied a little every day. He practiced speaking in front of a mirror. He made mistakes, many mistakes, but he did not stop. Because he understood something important. Growth is not comfortable. Mistakes help me grow. The struggle inside. The hardest part was not English. The hardest part was his mind. His mind said, you are too late. You are not good enough. This is too difficult. But Daniel learned to answer back. No, I will continue. No, I will improve. No, I will not stop. This was his real battle, not with the world, but with himself. The transformation. After many months, something changed. Daniel was not the same person anymore. He spoke English with confidence. He had better habits. He respected himself. His life improved, not because of luck, not because of others, but because he changed his actions. Now listen carefully. This story is not really about Daniel. It is about you. Maybe you were waiting. Maybe you are afraid. Maybe you are saying, I will start tomorrow. But tomorrow is a lie if you do nothing today. So ask yourself, what can I do today? Not next week, not next year, today. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be strong. You just need to start. Because small steps create big results. Daily practice creates real change. Discipline creates a new life. And always remember, no one is coming to save you, and that is your power. I am responsible for my life. I will not wait anymore. I will start today. I will change my future. Thank you for learning with me. If this lesson touched your heart, write in the comments. I start today. Practice again, listen again, speak again, and slowly your English and your life will grow together. See you in the next lesson.